We are up at the woodlot, cleaning a little bit of snow today. Lucas is manning the machine. Beautiful day in Danbury, Connecticut. A little uneven. You have to use your brakes to steer in a combination backhoe in the snow, so you're turning right and left with the brake pedal mostly. Got to click it in four-wheel drive there, Lucas Coal Services. Pile a little bit up here in the corner. I don't know how this video is going to come out. I hope it comes out well. Kind of give them some hand signals here behind the screen. There's a rock there. All right, raise it up, dump it out, and we're going to turn around and push in. '98 Case 580L, 6,400 and something hours. This machine is awesome. This machine came from Altoona, Pennsylvania. Birchfield Equipment. Nice people. I don't think Mr. Birchfield is around anymore, but he was a nice man. Very slippery with rubber tires. This is a kind of a wet snow, so it's packing. Gotta angle the blade down a little bit. Very good, Lucas. You're scraping it up. Very good, very good. I guess I taught you well. Nice and easy. You got rocks and stuff. gravel underneath here. We don't want to chew up all of our gravel and put it in a pile. Looks a little dark on the screen here. Not sure how this is going to come out. All right, Lucas, keep pushing. Keep pushing. Gonna take it right into the corner. See the big piles of wood all covered with snow. That's going to delay the aging process of that beautiful red oak a little bit, but that's okay. We'll have some primo firewood come next year. Widening it up a little bit. I don't know if you can hear that squeal in the front of that motor. I believe that's a bearing that is on the fan. Had some alternator issues with this machine with the pulley falling off. Not good. Keep the front tires on the ground. That way you get the four wheels all turning at the same time there, Lucas Coal Services. He's doing a great job. Excellent job. Lucas has been running this machine since he is 9 years old. He is now 27, soon to be 28. All right, that wraps up this video for now. Lucas Coal Services, Danbury, Connecticut. Peace, everyone.